Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to tell you all the high paying jobs there are in the country of France. So let's get straight into the video. The first job role which is very high paid is of research scientists. So research scientists in any field are very high paid because these professionals generally have a PhD, which is the highest rank of education. If you have the degree, if you have the skills, you can certainly choose to work in this profession. Since here you can expect a salary which is upwards of 45,000 euros. The next job role is of computer scientists and IT professionals. Since computer science and IT is always evergreen, you can choose to have any profession you want. You can work in any sector you want, whether it's a product industry or a service industry. All the IT professionals are very high paid, and if you get into this job role, you can certainly expect a salary which is upwards of 50,000 euros. The next job role is of a financial analyst. So financial analysts work in the domain of finance, like the name suggests. They work in profits, losses, balance sheets, etc. They are responsible for maintaining the company's finance, and if you find yourself having the skills or you want to build up on these skills, you can certainly consider this future because they pay you more than 47,000 euros per year. The next job role is of healthcare professionals. So healthcare professionals includes doctors, nurses, etc. If you want to get into the field of medicine, if you want to explore yourself, you can certainly get into this field. This is a highly responsible field but pays you very well, since the salaries over here which you can expect are upwards of 75,000 euros per year. The next job role is of dentist. So dentists again is in the field of medicine. Medicine generally is very high paid, and dentists in this country are paid more than 120,000 euros per year because of the kind of demand there is of these dentists. Last but not the least, we have physicians. So physicians are the people who generally order blood tests, take all the MRIs and diagnose a disease in the patient basically. If you find yourself being comfortable in such a job role, if you want to get into medicine but not want to become a surgeon, you can certainly consider this job role as well, since this is one of the very high paid job roles which pays you more than 1,30,000 pounds per year. So guys, this was it for the video. If you find any of these job roles interesting, you can certainly consider them because all of them are very respectable and very high paying. If you have any other doubts, let us know in the comment section given below, or if you want a one-on-one session with any of our advisors, you can use the description box given below as well. Also, don't forget to like the video if you're liking the content, and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on any of this, and share this video as well. Thank you so much again. We'll see you in the next one.